please. You all guys must have completed your graduation or a BTech, something like that. So most of the you, okay. So in all your course of time, you must have come across about C language. Why you guys? Okay, how many of you have ever never heard about C language? Come on, how many of you never gone through the C language? So all of you have C language in your curriculum. So most of you guys were never comfortable with C language in your days, right? So what was the problem? What happened with you? Right, that is the question. So that I know the answer. The first answer is most of you guys never took it as a serious thing. And the second thing is, yes, you are just young. So you never thought of that will be going to be a very important tool for our life. That is second thing. And the third thing, the most important thing is you have not spent enough time to understand C language. What happened, Prashant? Okay, so you have never you have never heard about that, or you have never took it so serious, because I'll tell you that is also wrong in engineering colleges. The process to introduce maths, they took 12 years for you. To introduce social studies like history, economics, they took 10 years for you. To introduce science, physics, they took 12 years for you. But all of a sudden, a programming concepts have been introduced in a semester. How justified it is? I don't understand. Okay. So it definitely needs a lot of time and attention to actually introduce programming languages. I'm sorry to say this, very sorry to say this word. The word is in all the government schools, we have trained or specialized teachers. In all the private schools, they have specialized procedure. But all of a sudden, engineering doesn't have any procedure or any qualified teachers. తెలుగులో చెప్పాలంటే ఓకే సరే వదిలేసండి. సో అంటే ఆ ప్రాసెస్ లేదు, ఇంట్రెస్ట్ ఉన్న వాళ్ళు లేరు. Both the ways it is not happening, especially in computer science. It's a big nonsense, because all the cream already entered into the companies. Only few people are left. So with them, what do you do? Thank you for listening so far, but one thing I would like to say you is you need more time, or you need to give more time to programming. You need more time to adopt programming. You need more time to understand programming. You need more time to observe the behavior of the programming. So I do my best. I am doing the best. I am sure of it. Okay. But you guys also should continuously experiment with programming. Keep on experiment with programming. What happens like this, what happens like that, what happens like this, what happens like that. Every day this urge of what you say quest should be continuously there. Only then you get the programming. It's not about Praveen Gubbala or somebody else. You have to make an interest out of it. Oh, what happens with this, what happens with that? You have to keep on experimenting. Okay, so how do I understand programming? I will teach you today. Okay, yeah, chalo. How do I understand this? What is that? How do I understand the concept of operators? Chalo. So yesterday we have discussed about arithmetic operators, but they are not just enough. Plus and minus we have seen, star we have seen, and division slash you know already. But I have to speak about slash and percentile more. మోస్ట్లీ తెలుగు వాళ్ళే కాబట్టి ఒక మాట చెప్తున్నా, పక్కన ఇన్స్టాగ్రామ్ ఓపెన్ చేసుకుంటూనో, ఫేస్బుక్ చూసుకుంటూనో, టీవీ చూసుకుంటూనో మీరు దయచేసి ఇది వినకండి. నేను తర్వాత చాలా ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఫేస్ చేస్తున్నాను. మీరు కాదు. మీకు లాజిక్ రాయడం రావట్లేదు, అది నా ఫెయిల్యూర్ అని ఫీల్ అవుతున్నాను నేను. సో దయచేసి మొత్తం అంతా బుర్రంతా ఇక్కడే పెట్టండి and follow that. Thank you. So here I have where x is equal to 19, where b is equal to 4. Sorry, where y is equal to 4. So where z is equal to x by y. If it is the case, x by y, what do we get in the z? So 19 will be divided by 4, and JavaScript divide that as a decimal division. You should know what is decimal division, you learn it. So it will go with dots, I mean point decimal values also. So finally decimal result, that is quotient, will be stored in Z. Where W, I declared W is equal to X modulus Y. So when you apply modulus, it will perform the integer division. This word is very, very important, guys. Integer division. So it will not keep on dividing with after dot 0 0, not like that. If the remainder ultimately, if you don't have any other digit to divide and the remainder is less than the divisor, okay, then it will stop dividing it. Okay, it will not put the dot and continue. It will stop if the remainder is end. Okay, once the remainder comes less than, no digits are there to divide, then it will stop. And if it is less than the divisor, so the basic division, so the remainder comes into W. Okay, so this is everybody knows mostly, but here I need your attention. This is not only the case. What happens? Okay, what is the output here? Can you please type it in the sorry, okay. I'm talking about what is the output for Z, what is the output for W. Yeah, please send me my personal messages. Correct, Mitra, like that. You have given only one answer. మిత్ర 4 తో డివైడ్ చేసినప్పుడు ఏ సిచ్యువేషన్ లో 4 వస్తుంది మిత్ర? ఓకే, ఆన్సర్ అంటే ఓకే, కోషియంట్ 4. ఓ సారీ, కోషియంట్ 4 కరెక్ట్. రిమైండర్ అంటున్నావేమో అనుకున్నా. ఎట్లా వస్తుంది 4 కూడా? అసలు 4 అనే ఆన్సరే రాదు నీకు, ఏ సిచ్యువేషన్ లోనూ 4 రాదు. ఓకే సార్. 4. Yeah, ఇప్పుడు what is the answer for? No, there are two things, guys. There are 24, line number 24 and line number 25. I want answers for both. What is the line number 24 and what is the line number 25?
Line number 24 is 4.74, sir. 4.75.
అదొకసారి చాట్ లో పెట్టు డైరెక్ట్ మెసేజ్ గా.
Okay, sir.
Sir,
Hmm.
hello. Sir, it will not print, right? We are declaring it in variable.
Hmm.
We should declare in int now, then only.
Hmm. యా ఎవరు అన్నది సాయి కిరణ్.
Sai Kiran.
Yeah. So in JavaScript, we don't have integers.
Okay.
We don't declare a variable with its data type. We declare the variable with var keyword.
Okay. Okay.
According to the value given, the data type will be decided to it.
Okay. Okay.
Mhm. Okay. So W is 3 and Z is 4.75. Okay, that's fine. Answers are very good, but why W is uncaught error? Abhi, what is the problem? What is the problem, Abhi?
తెలీదన్నా యాక్చువల్లీ
Percentile, the percentile symbol is for dividing the x and y, but it will give you the remainder in W. Reminder in the W. So this is not an error. Okay, reminder వస్తుందన్నమాట W లోకి. Okay, yeah.
Okay.
So now this is all fine, but now you have to understand the next level, that is What happens if the x value is 0? What happens if the x value is 0 and y value is 4? 0 by 4, the result is what? Yeah, it is 0. The answer is 0. And how about this one? 0 modulus 4 is 0 only. Okay, yeah. It will come such situations for you. Okay, please be waiting for it. And now, next reminder, when you divide, okay, 4 with 2, 2 with 4, what is the reminder I am going to get? Reminder, 4, it will be considered as 4 zeros are 0, and the remainder will be, come on, remainder will be 2. Okay, it will be performing like this. When you are dividing lesser number, especially when you are dividing modulus division, in that case, when you are dividing lesser number with the higher number, then the lesser number will be the remainder directly. Okay, this point also you have to remember. Hello, what is the division? When I say 3, what is the answer for 3 modulus 4? What is the answer?
3.
3. So when I say 3 modulus 9,
3.
3 only.
3 only. There is no. What is the answer of 3 modulus 2?
It's 2.
Huh?
1.
1. The answer is 1. Okay. Okay, guys. Like this, you have to understand you have to check out what exactly this arithmetic operators are and how do they behave. Okay. Not yet over. I am not yet done. Arithmetic operators are basically plus, minus, star, by, and percentile. These are the basic arithmetic operators. Yes, correct. But arithmetic operators sometimes we perform in between different data types. Arithmetic operators we perform in between different data types. When you perform different data types, what will be the answer? For example, what happens when I say where A is equal to 100, where B is equal to Praveen. So when I perform the arithmetic operation, okay, directly console.log of A plus B, it does not throw error. The answer will be 100 Praveen. So if there is any string in the arithmetic operation, it will perform the concatenation. Okay, but at the same time, you have to understand one more point. That is, if I have where C is equal to 234, okay, 1 second, guys. Okay, where D is equal to 999, where E is equal to Ramesh. If this is the case, then if I write where A plus C plus D plus B, what will be the result? So if you have this kind of work, this is called as expression. This is called as an expression where variables are combined with operators. So in this expression, the work or the calculation, so this will be actually converted into this way. 100 plus C means 234 plus D means 999 plus B means Ramesh. Okay. So when you calculate this expression will start from the left side to right side. So it will first add 100 and 234, that is 334, and then 334 will be added to 999.
B means Ravi, Praveen.
Oh no, sorry. B means Praveen. Thank you. B means Praveen. Okay. So the emotion behind it is the expression evaluation will start from left to right. So first it will perform 100 plus 234 plus 99, then it will go. So 100 plus 234 is 334 plus 999, it will be something. So if I execute this code, it will give you this output. That is 1333 Praveen. It will not be 100, okay, 100 plus 234 plus 199. Hello. Have you understood this? What will happen? That is what I am saying. What happens if I say A plus B plus C plus D?
Hundred Praveen, 1233.
Uh, 100 Praveen, and it will add C plus D.
Yeah. Okay. Fine. Unfortunately, you will have a different result. You are almost there. Yeah, Mitra. Good. You are almost there, but the result is like this. 100 Praveen, 234, 999. What exactly happened over there? Why it is showing me like this result? Yeah, I know you should be curious, but the result is like this. The result is 100 plus 234. So, sorry, 100 plus, okay, 100 plus Praveen plus 234 plus 999. 100 plus Praveen. What is the result? 100 Praveen. So 100 Praveen is a number or a string? 100 Praveen. If there is 100 Praveen, it looks like a combination of numbers and strings, but it is actually when you concatenate a number with a string, the result will become the string. Okay, that is 100 Praveen is now a string. String with 234 is a concatenation. So that is what I said. String with 234 is a concatenation. That means 100 Praveen 234. Everything as a string. So that string will be again added to a number that is 999. So string with any number is a concatenation. It is not a number addition. Hello. Okay, this is how you have to understand. Of course, it is not too much of important, but definitely without knowing these all things, it will be difficult for you to understand anything. Okay. Yeah. Overall, Overall, this is what this is how it will perform. Okay. Yeah. This is now I just want to test. I just want to give you give you a hint or tool for testing something. For example, console dot log of, I want to see what is there in the A, what is there inside the A, whether it is a number or a string or boolean or anything. That can be identified by type of operator, type of space A. This tells you what is the type there in the A. What is the type there in the A? It is number. The same way you can check what is the type there in the B. What is this? String. What is the type there in the C? What is the type there in the D? So you know all these things now, right now. Very good. So for example, you can also check something like this. For example, type of, I want to calculate A plus B. What is the type of A plus B? It is why it is type of A plus B? Okay. Whatever the result is, I just want to put it like this. What is the result of type of A plus B? It will add A plus B. There is concatenation because B is string. So type of that result is string. What about A plus B plus C? What is the result? It is again the string. This is also a string. So string, it looks like 100, but it is not 100. It is a string. It looks like number, but it is not number. If you are concatenated, I am coming to that. Wait a minute. Concatenated. Okay. So whenever you are concatenating with a string, this becomes string. 100 also becomes a string. 100. It will no more be 100. The result of 100 plus Praveen is 100 PRAVEEN. Okay. My dear freshers, only for you I am teaching. Probably Bhargavi or some other people who are already aware of these things, they look me like fool. Why he is teaching me all these things? We know already. No. Freshers don't know this. Only for your benefit, I am teaching you all these things to that core. Okay. Don't lose the hope. Don't go away. I am seriously telling you. Only for you I am teaching. Okay. Yeah. Those people who are already aware of this, they look me like a joker. Okay. I know that, but still I am going it. Once we reach the advanced topics, we all become one. Okay. Yeah. Come back to the point. So A plus B plus C. Okay. So when you add, you have to take time. That is what you have to take time. Where X is equal to A plus B. What is there in the X? What will be there in the X? 100 probably.
100 probably number.
It is not a number. It better not to say 100 Praveen. 100 PRAVEEN.
String.
So that is a string. String 100 Praveen is there. So if I say console.log of X, it will print 100 PRAVEEN. Point number 1. And what is the type of it?
String.
It is string. Okay. So it is already a string. 100 Praveen is a string. To that, if I add C is equal to 300, what will happen? The X is now having, so A plus B is having a string. So A plus B plus C means string plus 300. That means
Also string.
100 PRAVEEN 300. Then of course I have where D is equal to 400. Imagine. Then yes. So what?
Also string.
This is also a string. So that is how you have to understand the concatenation. Even the plus symbol is also having all these things. Okay, right. Just I want to tell you something. Sir, these are all not mine. This is all not mine. There are so many great people, great writers whose name is Yashwant Kanitkar. Test your C skills. Those great people already explained all these things, but we don't have the time, enough time to read that. We don't have enough guidance to read that. That is the problem. So for young generation, don't ask them to come to me. Ask them to read bloody textbook completely. Okay, and yes, they can. You can please refer them to, no problem. But the thing is, yes, it is already there. But they need a guidance. For guidance, yes, you can ask them to come to me. Okay, thank you for listening. So that such a level of depth is there. Such everything, such a level of depth is there. Now it is not over. Let us go to the next aspect. That is where let me comment out. Where A is equal to 100, where B is equal to 100. So if you keep 100 in quotes, that B will be considered having a string. That B will consider having a string. So if you say console.log of type of A gives you number, then console.log of type of B gives you
String.
string like this. This is number, this is string. Okay, even though it looks like similar, but A is having a number and B is having a string. Yes. Is it possible to convert a string into number? Yes. So the taken string is having only string. If the whatever the string you have taken, if that is having only string, then yes, 100% you can convert. If the number which you have taken, whatever the string you have taken, if that is having only string, that is here I have only, if that string is having only numbers, then it is okay. You can convert. How do I do that? Where C is equal to number, number of B. So this number function, you have to pass B to number function. So this number function convert this B into a number. Basically, B is having a number as a string. That's a problem. So now C will have a number 100. Hello. Yeah. This is number 100. Now the next part. Not only this, even a plus symbol can also convert. Sir, number B converted the number and stored in the C, but the actual value of the B is still a string. Hello, have you understood the point? The B value is not changed. B value is still a string. Could you understand the point? B value is still a string. Yeah. Now come back to this. Now come back to the point. This is called as typecasting. Okay, I have converted male to female, female to male. Just I don't want to use that word, but to give you a strong wording, I have said it. What is typecasting? గర్ల్స్ ఆడపిల్లలు ప్లీజ్ దయచేసి తప్పుగా అనుకోకండి. నేను కొన్నిసార్లు ఇట్లా మాట్లాడాల్సి వస్తుంది స్ట్రాంగ్ గా, ఓన్లీ అందరికి గుర్తుండడానికి, అంతేగాని మైండ్ లో I don't want to speak nonsense, but yes, at the same time that should be very straightforward to hit your mind. Okay, so typecasting is a conversion of, is nothing but converting one data type into another data type. Is my point clear?
Yes, sir.
Right. Okay, Andy. Next, what is next? Next thing is it the only way of typecasting? No, typecasting has many ways. So Miru, yeah, you can now follow Edupoli properly. మీకోసమే ఇవన్నీ రాయించాను, నేను రాశాను, కాపీ కూడా చేశాను. JavaScript type conversion, implicit type conversion and explicit type conversion. Implicit means automatic type conversion. Explicit means manual, and that means we are converting whatever we have said. So whatever you just seen, that is called as explicit type conversion through number. And there is one more way. C is equal to plus B. Sorry, not C. Let us take where, sir, declaration and assignment. Okay, both at a time. Plus B converts the data type of B into a number, but this is explicit. The plus will work only explicit, not implicit. Console.log of type of D gives you number. This is giving you number. How about B?
String.
It is still a string. It is still the string. B change avatledu. This is not happening. Abhi, Mitra, Teja, Raja, Prashant,
Yes,
you
sir,
guys,
getting you.
yeah, you guys have to sit here and you have to discuss this kind of things. Mitra, I have a lot of hopes on you. You have to speak with them in such a way that they will test it, they realize it.
Sure,
Okay,
sir.
so that you remember also. Don't consider this that you are doing some favor to me. No, you are
No,
doing
no.
favor to you only. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so you
Yes, sir.
remember that, and by testing. So okay, B value మారుతుందా లేదో చెప్పు. B value మారుతుందా, అప్పుడు అభి ఆలోచిస్తాడు, అవునా
Okay, sir.
మారొచ్చా మారట్లేదా ఏమైతుందన్నా అంటాడు. Then you will have a discussion. I want that, guys. I want that. Only then you realize, only then you understand the subject. Okay,
Okay,
B
sir.
అవుతుందా, B కాదా? ఓకే, దీన్ని ఏమంటారు, ఇంప్లిసిట్ అంటారా, ఎక్స్ప్లిసిట్ అంటారా? You have to speak like this. You have to word. You have to discuss. Only then it starts. Chalo. Thank you. Now This is also explicit typecasting. Next, where E is equal to minus of minus B. It is too much, but I am saying that. Okay, that means through minus operators also I can explicitly typecast it. No, నేను జోక్ చేయట్లేదు, కామెడీ చేయట్లేదు, నేను టైం పాస్ అంతకంటే చేయట్లేదు. Okay, because if the same question, if you get it in the exam with the combination of others, you will be terrified. That is the problem I am telling you. You will be terrified. Oh, what happened? What is this? What is this? You don't have the presence of mind. No, nothing. This is just a combination. Okay, so before entering, I mean, it should not be like new. Why are Indian batsmen generally fail in Australia or bouncy pitches? Because they never face any such bouncers or that quickness in Indian pitches. Okay, I am not complaining it. I am just saying it. Why Australians will fail most of the time in India? The reason is very simple. They don't have turning pitches in their country. That's the difference. That's how the difference is. Okay. Yeah. So where E is equal to minus. Okay. Console.log of type of E. It's a number. Line number 48. Type of B. It is still a string. That has not been changed. Very good. So finally, this is how explicitly we can convert. There is one more way that is called as parseInt. F. So parseInt of B, type of F is a number. And if I see what is there in the B, it still shows the string. So parseInt can also convert the string into a number only if that is having the string. Sorry, only that is having the complete number. Only if it is having the complete number. Understood the point? Yeah. But okay, wait, I'll show you so many other things also. Parse float will also do that. Let me check whether I have missed anything else. If I missed anything. Number plus convert string explicitly. Okay, this is also conversion. Boolean. Okay, number. Apart from number, I have given in the parse float. Yes, all the examples are covered. Okay, unary operator plus math.floor is also going to use. Parse float will also do it, no problem at all. Okay, so it will convert the strings into numbers. Okay, what is implicit conversion? So far I was discussing about explicit. What is implicit? But before going to implicit, I would like to have something else. If B is having only the number in the string, in the quotes, then okay, this is number string is fine. But if it is having along with 100, if it is having Anu, then because number cannot convert those ABCDs or characters into a number. Numbers cannot convert string into sorry, characters into number. If it has numeric values, it's okay. But if it is characters, it cannot. So what will be the output?
It will be in string only.
No. Okay. So when you are trying to convert a non-number into a string, it will give you not a number. What is that? It is going to give you not a number. Not a number. Now, if I show you the output right now, it looks like this. Where do you get the not a number? Can you see the line number 44? Hello. So what is line number 44? In the line number 44, line number 41 is number. Wait a minute. I'm sorry.
Yes, sir. This was correct only, right, sir? 44.
Wait a minute. It is okay, but when I say, oh
Yes,
my
it was
God.
correct only.
Correct. It is no. It why C is giving you as a number? Actually, when you say what is there in the C, console.log of C, it shows you C is nothing but not a number, guys. C is not a number. Line number 42, it is saying not a number. So actually it is not converted. It cannot convert. Of course, not a number is a number. Hey, those people who are freshers, don't take it so serious. Leave it. But not a number is also a number. Okay. NaN is a number actually. The data type of NaN is number. That is why I am able to see that output. The type is number. But when it is getting converted, what it is returning? What it is going to return? Not a number, NaN. It returns NaN. So if your string is having numbers and characters also, at that time it will convert only, it will result into not a number. Okay, still it is a number. Not a number is also a number. So like this, you little bit please do in depth. Okay, yeah. Next, I want to tell you implicit conversion. That is, where A is equal to 123, where B is equal to 100. Okay, now where C is equal to A plus B. So plus actually explicitly plus can convert a string into a number. That is possible. But implicitly in an expression, plus will not convert the string into a number. That is why it will give you the answer as 200, 100. That is 200, 100. Did you understand the point? What did I say? Explicitly plus can convert. Here plus converted 100 into a 100 a string into a number, right? Hello, hello, hello.
Yes, sir.
But when it comes to implicit conversion, that means in an expression like this, plus will not convert the b, which is a string in string. It will not convert into the number. What does it do? It will do string addition only.
Like
It will do the string addition only. Plus problem is that plus cannot do it. Okay, so if you see what is there in the C, what will be the output? Two zero zero 100 like this. Okay, but where D is equal to A minus B. Yeah. This minus operator can convert the right side value into a number. Have you understood this?
So it means string to number, sir.
అంతే కదండి, అక్కడ ఉన్న స్ట్రింగ్ నే కదా
Yes, sir.
నెంబర్ కన్వర్ట్ చేసేది.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
It will be converted into string into a number. So minus can actually convert implicitly also, not only explicitly. Implicit way of type conversion is possible to minus. Okay, minus can do that. Minus has the
but which operator will work here? Plus or minus? Which operator will work here? So this minus will work as converting string into number, right? So it will add, or what will happen now? Output.
No, it is minus, so minus will be done.
Okay.
If it is minus, of course minus will be done, right?
Yeah. Okay.
But along
minus
with the
will be
along with the subtraction, it will also perform the type conversion. That is what I am saying.
Okay. Fine.
Okay, so next. Okay, next, this is implicit type conversion. What if I have 100 okay? So when it say 100 okay, minus cannot convert this 100 okay into a number. So what will happen? It will be not a number. Hello, what it will be? It's a not a number. So anything subtraction with not a number is again a not a number. So console.log of D gives you not a number, NaN. Why it happened like that? If B is having not completely a number string, if it is having number as well as characters, then it cannot convert, plus cannot convert that combination into a number. So it will, what to say? It will say not a number. Okay. But guys, seriously, there is one particular thing that is called as parseInt. can pick up the number from a number string combination. Are you ready to see that? Hello.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Where x is equal to, in the string I have 200 anu. Okay, so x is equal to parseInt of x, sorry, where y is equal to parseInt of x. So here, if you see what is there in the y, you will be surprised. That is 200. None of this, none of the operators, minus, cannot convert that into a number. Number cannot even pick up the number out of the 200 anu. Only parseInt can do that. Are you clear about it?
Sir.
So parseInt is having that capability, but parseInt is also having a limitation 200 anu 300 if it is there. So it cannot pick up that 300. It will pick up only the first number. Okay, suppose parseInt also having a limitation. So if first characters are not numbers, then it will be saying going to be just okay. No, sorry, not a number. parseInt also cannot convert this kind of string. Okay, on the starting itself has something, then it will some string, then it cannot convert. Okay, guys, Rohit, so guys, just I need 5 minutes of break. So please go through this. Of course, after 5 minutes of break, 20-25 minutes only I will take, but still, okay. I'll be back in 5 minutes. Take care.
Okay, sir.
Okay, guys. Yeah. Which charger? Okay, guys, see this. The point is, we understood the typecasting as well as the basic operations. So, whatever the concept it may be, even if it is a small concept or big concept, you have to go through like this. Every step, every point you have to learn. Okay, I try my best to give you the insight. Even you guys also have to go through those all steps and procedures. Okay, next we have to go to the other operators. Okay, the operators are like this. They are operators. These called as relational operators. Okay, what the hell are these relational operators? What are they? Relational operators are greater than, less than, here I will write greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, not equal to, double equal to, triple equal to. What do you mean by this? What are these? For example, when I say where A is equal to 100, where B is equal to 200, where C. When I say C is equal to A plus B, what will be there? What that plus operator will do? It will add the left side value and right side value, and the result will be stored in the C. So what will be there in the C?
300.
300.
Very good. So addition will be performed. Console.log of C gives you 300, right? Next, if I say where D is equal to A and an operator called greater than and B. So this operator checks left side value is greater than right side value or not. If it is greater, then it returns true to D. So if I say console.log of D, it will show you false. Why it is showing you the false? Because A is actually not greater than B. A is actually not greater than B. Next, where E is equal to A less than B. What will be there in the E?
True.
Huh? Okay, very good. True. If it is not okay, yeah, perfect. E. Maybe I have said false. Okay, yeah, it is true. Correct. Hello, hope you understood this point. So this less than symbol or greater than symbol will check the relationship between these two. And if it is matching with the given operator, then it returns true. If it is not matching with the operator, it returns false. Now, the same way, if I apply greater than or equal to, so suppose if B is also 100, then where D is equal to 100. I am writing directly console.log of, okay, I am not taking another variable. I just want to reduce the steps. A greater than D. A is 100 as well as D is also 100. So 100 is greater than 100. What does it, sorry, 100 is greater than or equal to 100. So what is the output? I'm sorry. Sorry, correct. A greater than 100. What is the output I'm going to get?
False.
Why it is false?
It is equal, no, sir? That's right.
It is not greater. Yes, it is
Yeah.
of course equal, but it is not greater. So it is going to give
False.
you false.
I mean, the operator failed.
Operator fails. A greater than. It is. What happened? Why it is coming as true? 17, line number 17. A greater than D. Is A greater than D? ఒక్క నిమిషం. See this, see the stupidity, level of stupidity. Here, after some time, I have given where D and D is equal to A greater than B. Now D value is, what is the D value? False, right? So here it is checking with the false. Yes, 100 is actually greater than false. That is why F is getting true. Seriously, it's a very nice point to be observed. So when we are doing it, you have to be careful with the variables. Take it as care with care. Okay. Yeah. Better to take here another variable A greater than X. Now it is saying as false. Hello. నేను ఇక్కడ ఆల్రెడీ డి అనే వేరియబుల్ తీసుకున్నాను కదండి, మళ్ళీ ఓవర్ రైట్ చేశాను ఇక్కడ, అందువల్ల అట్లా జరుగుతుంది. ఓకే, సో డోంట్ వరీ, రైట్. సో హియర్ A and X are having 100 and 100. So if you are applying greater than symbol, it says it expects A should be greater. Even equal, it is not going to be given as true. So if I say A greater than or equal to X, then it gives you true. Yes, correct. It checks at least any one of these, greater or equal. Anything is there, then it will return true. Otherwise, it returns false. Okay. And now, if I write A not equal to X, what will be the answer? Not equal to symbol checks whether both are not equal. If it is equal, then it
False.
returns false. If it is
False.
not equal, it returns true. So
Yes, sir.
what does it return? False, because they are both are equal. Okay. Suppose if I say A not equal to B, what is the result here?
True, sir.
True, because A and B are not equal, like that.
It validates.
So I can check the equality. A double equal to B. A and B are equal. If they are equal, then it returns true. If they are not equal, it returns false. A and B are not equal, so it returns false. It returned false. If I say A double equal to B, then A double equal to X, then true. Okay, this is all okay, but how about this triple equal to? There is one more relational operator which is triple equal to. What does it give you? Yeah, triple equal to also checks the value equality. If it is equal, it returns false. If it is equal, it is returning true. If it is not equal, then it returns false. That is okay. But take this case where P is equal to 100, where Q is equal to 100. So P is having the 100 as a string. Q is having 100 as a number. Is it okay? So if you take console.log of P triple equal to Q, it says not equal. That is false. Hello. See the last one, false. That means triple equal to not only checks the value, it will also checks the data type. But when it comes to double equal to, it will simply check whether the values are same or not. Hello. In
Yes,
fact,
sir. Getting.
okay, whether the values 100 is equal to, that means it won't, this gives you true. It won't check the data type. It won't check the data type. Here it is. This is the most important question of any JavaScript or React interviews or Angular interviews. What is that?
Double equal and
Double equal to, and what is the
Triple
difference between double equal to and triple equal to? Okay, these
double
are all
equal to. Yes, sir.
checks. Double equal to checks only the equality without data type check.
Okay.
Okay, that won't check the data type. Triple equal to checks the data type. That triple equal to ensures that the data type is also equal.
Value and data.
Value and data type. Okay. But interview questions will not stop over here. What happens if I check, sir? చెప్పడానికి నాకు ఓపిక ఉంది, వినడానికి మీకు ఓపిక ఉందా లేదో చూసుకోండి. నేను ఓపికగానే చెప్తున్నా. ఓకే, మీరు వినడమే కాదు దాని అంతటిని చూడడం. మీరు ఇరిటేట్ అయిపోతుంటే మాత్రం నన్ను అడగకండి జాబ్ వచ్చి నాకు జాబ్ రాలేదు సార్ అని. మీరు ఇంత క్లీన్ గా, వెరీ క్లీన్, యూ హ్యావ్ టు బి వెరీ క్లీన్ అండ్ వెరీ పర్టికులర్ ఇన్ ఆల్ ద కేసెస్. What happens if I have 100 ABC? Let me comment out all these things. $100 Rohit. Anyways, triple equal to will not say it is true. Okay, then that is anyways there. How about the double equal to? It will reject. Hello. It will not convert, or it will not pick up only the 100. Typecasting or parseInting will not be happening. It will simply reject it. This is also okay. How about PQR is equal to 100.0? Console.log of Q double equal to R. What is the line number 28? It is true. So it checks the value, decimal value, including data type. Of course, 100 is considered to be an integer, but in JavaScript both are numbers. So the value is true. How about the double equal to? It is also true. Okay, so it is not missing out 100.0 or 100. Okay, both are fine. So here also okay. But you get confused when it comes to the real time. Okay, so anyways, I just want to stop it over here. Too much of topic now. Tomorrow we will be covering the expressions and statements if possible. Okay, in the meanwhile, all of you must read. Please go through our website. Please go through our website for more clarity tomorrow. That is operators. These operators, if possible, not if possible, go through the remaining operators. You will understand. And what is expression and what is statement. Okay. What is expression and statement? These two should be understood by tomorrow. These two should be understood by tomorrow. I mean to say, first go through that and cover it up. And after that, go through my YouTube channel. I will forward you the link if you ping me on the WhatsApp. Okay. So I'll forward you the link that is available in the Google, or else you can say Praveen Gubbala in the Google only. Let us type Praveen Gubbala JavaScript Foundation and enter. You get my JavaScript, practical JavaScript. It is coming practical JavaScript. No. This won't work. Okay. In Telugu. Take it. No problem. JavaScript Foundation in Telugu. Yes. These are the videos. JavaScript Foundation in Telugu. Please click on this. This is a big playlist, very big playlist. You can get it out. Okay, I'll send you the playlist also. You go through those expressions and statements. Okay, I'll show you, because if I record it, it will be a problem. So I'm just stopping the recording.